Hello. Today I'll be showing you everything you need to know about statement pages and statements on the Mono dashboard. We'll start with creating a statement page. To start off, log into your dashboard. I've already logged into mine. Click on the Statements tab. Click on Create a Statement Page. It's at the top right corner of your dashboard. This will pop up. For a statement page, we'll need a page name. We need a page description also. I'm choosing to name mine Lending Data. You can decide to customize your statement page link. You can use your business name so your customers know it's you. It has to be a custom link. When you enter the link, it shows you if you can use it or not. To create a statement page, you need to have created an app before now, and your app has to be live. I've gone ahead to create an app, and I have named it Oginna. Select duration of data you want from your customer. In my case, I want 12 months of statement data from my customer, so I'll click on 12 months. You can decide to redirect the end user, that is your customer, to another page after they successfully link their account. I'm choosing not to do that. Enter an email you'd like the statement sent to. For me, it's a test email. When you're done, click on Create Page. You're done. You've created your first statement page. To copy the link to your statement page, click on this icon beside the page link. You've copied it. You can now share this to your customers. You can decide to delete or duplicate your statement page by clicking on the three dots by the side of the particular page. When you click on this statement page, you can preview it to see what your customers see when they click the link. You can edit the details of the statement page. These are the details you entered when you tried to create the statement page or when you created the statement page. You can add a redirect link, change the email, or change duration of statement data that you want. When you're done, click on Save. You can choose to disable your statement page. This means that you can no longer collect statement data with this page. You can also choose to take it live. When you successfully link accounts to collect statement data, they will show up here on this statements space. I'll be showing you a statement page that has statement data on it. This has statement data on it. To export this data, you can click on Export and it will export all the data in the statement pages. There are two ways to collect statement data, via our no-code tool, the statement page, or via the statement API. You can choose to see the statements gotten from a particular app or the statement pages created using that app. For example, if I want to see all the statements from Data Sync app, I just need to come up here and click on Data Sync. It shows me all the statement pages created on Data Sync. Also shows me all the statements available gotten via this app. You can choose what data you like to see, the statements gotten via API or the ones gotten via statement page. To do that, click on Filter up here. Click on the type of collection method you like to see. In my case, I want to see APIs. Click on Apply. These are statements gotten via API. This is all you need to know about statement pages and statements on the Mono dashboard. Thank you for watching.